Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about 3rd standard English unit 2, that is tools we use. What are the tools we use daily? Sometimes we will use the screwdriver for tightening the screws. Like that, only small tools only we can use. But in the plumbers, the plumber shop, they will fix the pipes and they will fix the everything, what all the electrical items, and the plumber will fix only the pipes, and the electrical shop, they will fix the electrical connections like that. So they will use the different types of the tools. So here in this lesson, the plumber helps to fix the broken pipes. Do you know anyone who helps you? This girl is asking like that. This is the way the lesson starts at unit 2. So the plumber helps to fix the pipes. So other things also is here. Here is, name the picture to your friend. Who is here? Some of the pictures they are given. Doctor, then pilot, then teacher, then policeman. So read it and do it. Open the bag, take a pencil. Okay. Then doctor is having the stethoscope. Like that you have to read the sentences, children. And here some of the items, the tools, what you are using. So they are given with a picture, everything. So first one is the drill, to put the hole in the wall to fix a nail. Then hammer na suthiyal, or the nail adikkiradhukku. And then screwdriver, to tighten the screws. And plier, idu wire cut pandradhukku. Then saw, maratha vetradhukku, like this. Then nails, ani, okay. Drill, hammer, screwdriver, piler, saw and nail. So this is mostly even some of the parents, the daddy will be using it, even the grandfather also will be using some of the things. In the hammer we will be seeing the house, because nails, if you want to put the nails on the wall, fix the nails on the wall, you will use the hammer. In modern, if you want to put a hole, you put this drill current, it will make a hole. Okay, and now this is the wrench. This is wrench to tighten the nuts in the, that is the pump, water pump. Wrench, okay, yeah. Then scissors, Then axe, then spanner, different types of spanner to tighten the screwdrivers. Then bolt, the screw vechittu a bolt tight pannu. This is the nut. This is bolt and this is the nut. And this is the tape, and this is the spade, to take the sand from the sandals. Then toolbox, what all the things you have to keep in the toolbox. So wrench, scissors, axe, spanner, bolt, nut, tape, toolbox and spade. Okay. On second I am telling what are the tools we are using it. Drill, then hammer, screwdriver, plier, saw, nail. Okay, say this. Drill, hammer, then screwdriver, then plier, saw, nail. So nail ani, saw என்ன சொல்வாங்க, okay, so okay, this is the wrench to tighten the pipe. This wrench is இந்த fix பண்ணி அந்த இது கரெக்டா measure பண்ணி tight பண்ணுது. Then scissors, then axe. So these are the tools we are seeing. Some of the places we have been seeing this one. Then spanner, different types, different sizes, small one, medium and big one. Then bolt and nut, and then tape, spade, and then toolbox. Okay, so these are the tools that we are seeing in the day-to-day life. So in this let us sing, we are going to see now a poem. So I write the poem now, and after that we will say this. So page number 88. So the little doctor. In this poem, I am a doctor. You know who is a doctor? Who cures the patients or who comes sick. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. So doctor uses the stethoscope. Thud, thud, says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. So I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud, thud, says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. ஸோ டாக்டர் வந்து ஸ்டெத்தஸ்கோப் வச்சு உங்களோட ஹார்ட் பீட் பார்ப்பாங்க. அப்போ ஹார்ட் பீட் பார்க்கும்போது அது சத்தம் கேட்கும், தட் தட் தட். யுவர் ஹார்ட் இஸ் நெவர் அட் ரெஸ்ட். நம்ம ஹார்ட் உள்ள அந்த தட் தட் சவுண்ட் இஸ் ஹியரிங்னோ இட் ஓன் டேக் ரெஸ்ட். அந்த ஹார்ட்டை துடிக்கிறது நிற்கவே நிற்காது. எப்போவும் நம்ம நடமாடிட்டு இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் இட் வில் பி give it as a thud thud thud. Okay, so first 4 lines we will write, children. I am a doctor. Say all of you, I am a doctor. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Holding, you might have seen the stethoscope. Holding a stethoscope. Holding a stethoscope. Thud, 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 thud. Says your chest. Thud, thud. Says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. Okay. So, I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud, thud, says your chest. Thud, thud, says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. Okay. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud, thud, says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. So memorize this line. Once again I am repeating. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud, thud, says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. Then again the second line. I am a doctor. I am writing here. I am a doctor. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Same line mindly. Holding a stethoscope. Okay. Thud, thud. Again the same line. Thud, thud. Tell me thud, thud. Something like that. Okay. Thud, thud. Let me hear. Let me hear. So first line என்ன சொல்றாங்க, thud thud says your chest. அந்த thud thud சத்தம் உங்க chestல கேக்குது இல்லையா? Your heart is never at rest. Here in this line, I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud thud, let me hear. நான் காதால கேக்குறேன். All is well. எல்லாமே heart beat துடிச்சிட்டே இருந்தா தான் நல்லது. All is well. No need to fear. So no need to fear. எதுக்கும் பயப்பட வேணாம். நம்ம ஹார்ட் பீட் எப்பவும் தட் 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 அப்படின்னு துடிச்சிட்டே இருக்கணும். அந்த ஹார்ட் பீட் நின்று போச்சுன்னா தான் we have to see that. Okay. So once again I am repeating second paragraph. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud thud thud, let me hear. Thud 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 thud, let me hear. All is well, no need to fear. All is well, no need to fear. Once again I am repeating. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud thud thud, let me hear. All is well, no need to fear. So these are the 8 lines you have to memorize in the poem. This is the poem about the doctor. First line on the I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud thud says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. Again, I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Thud thud, let me hear. All is well, no need to fear. Okay. Now, in this we'll see the some of the rhyming words. So in the poem rhyming words. What are the rhyming words here? You will see that. So copy down this in your classwork, children. So rhyming words, they are not given in the book. So we will see the poem and we will write the rhyming words. Okay. Chest, rest. Chest and rest. Okay. Then here only two words are there. Here and fear. Okay, yeah. Here and fear. So only two. So chest, rest, here, fear. So these 8 lines we have to memorize this poem for the next class, children. And now the next one, we will move on to the next. This is a story about a boy. What he is doing at home. Page number 89. Yeah, stitch in time. Same unit only. A stitch in time. Let us learn. Let us learn. Here in this, a story about a boy. Oh no, wails Shyam. Within Shyam is a boy. What is shouting? Oh no, because what happened? The seams of his favorite shirt have come apart. So while he is wearing the shirt, the seams of his favorite shirt, it's torn. While he is wearing, the shirt is torn. I can't wear this shirt anymore, Tata. What is telling? The shirt is torn, so I can't wear. He can't be able to wear his shirt anymore, Tata is telling to his Tata. Of course, you can, silly, his grandfather says. Grandfather, you can, of course, you can import a. Don't be a silly, he said. We can fix it. Other, we can stitch a paniklan. Tata takes a needle and some blue thread. The shirt is blue in color. So you take a needle and some blue thread. Okay, you take a needle and some blue thread and he shows Shyam how to stitch. What the Tata is doing? He showed to Shyam how to stitch that torn shirt. That time Shyam's friend Veni has come home. So Shyam's friend name is Veni. So she came home. Let's go cycling, Veni says. What Veni says? One number cycling. We will do the cycling. In a minute, says Shyam, let me iron my shirt first. So one day, just a minute, let's iron the shirt. So shirt and iron pani photo to iron. He switches on the iron box. So he switches the iron box. But the light doesn't glow. So when you switch the iron box, the light will glow. But in his switch box, the light doesn't glow and the iron remains cold. So heat current pass agna, the iron box will become only cold. Remains cold only. Oh, if I will just wear the crumpled shirt and crumpled Shyam. So he become very vexed. I will just wear, Siri. Now and then the crumpled shirt. Kasangana shirt na potukran. Koma solite is coming wearing the shirt and came out. I was at the repair shop last week, says Veni. Veni na sonna. Na last week or repair shop ko poirde. Abin solluboda. George uncle was repairing an iron box. So that time, Uncle George in the shop and the uncle, the name is George. He was repairing his iron box. I watched closely what he was doing. So, அவர் என்ன பண்றாரு closer பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். Let's try to make it work. So, அவர் எப்படி repair பண்ணாருன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். So, let's try பண்ணலாம். நம்மளே இந்த iron box, we will try to make it repair. Work ஆகுதான்னு பார்க்கலாம். Do you have a screwdriver? So, what Benny is asking? Do you have a screwdriver? So, what she told, last week I went to the workshop and there the George uncle was repairing the iron box. So, I know what repair is, what he was doing. So, let's try and see what button says, make it work. Do you have a screwdriver? So we need a screwdriver to take out the screw from the iron box so that it will be opened. Okay, so what is doing? So up to this we will say in this paragraph, what's the name of the boy? His name was Shyam. While Wales na crying, they didn't shout, katta, the Wales means shout. Why is shouting? Because when he wears his favorite shirt, the sleeves have come apart, the sleeves of the shirt is torn out. What he said, I can't wear this shirt anymore, Tata. He said to his Tata, I can't wear his shirt. Of course, you can silly, illa ni podala, don't be a silly boy, you can wear it. We can fix it. We can, number change panla, number fix panala. Tata takes a needle, enna pannanga Tata immediately takes a needle and some blue thread. That blue thread, why is taken this? Because the shirt is blue in color. So you take a needle and a thread to stitch the torn shirt. And also what the Tata has done, he shows Shyam how to stitch in the shirt. Eppadi stitch panna, stitch na tekkiradhu. That time who came there? Shyam's friend Veni, a girl. Veni, when she came home to Shyam's house. Let's go cycling. Avana sonnaga, va number we'll go for the cycling. But what Shyam said, in a minute, let me iron my shirt first. So first I'll iron the shirt. My shirt iron pannittu van. He switches on the iron box. What happened to the iron box? When he switched the iron box, it won't work. The light in the iron box doesn't glow area. It remains cold. So already the heat the light will come. The light come on what will happen? It will get heated. But the light doesn't glow. Light no area and the iron box also remains cold. What happened? He gets tired because morning itself his shirt is torn. And now the iron box also not works. So he said, what is this? I'll just wear the crumpled shirt. Seri, kasagana shirt. Crumpled means kasagir kulya. So I'll just wear the crumpled shirt. Abhin grumbles katite, he went out. So what Veni is telling at that time, I was at the repair shop last week. Last week na repair shop ku poirnden. Appo ennache? George uncle was repairing the iron box. So George uncle iron box repair பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. So I know, I watched closely. So now கிட்ட போய் பார்க்கும்போது என்ன பார்த்தானா I watched closely what he was doing. அவர் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாருன்னு தெரியும். Let's try to make it work. சரி நான் ட்ரை பண்ணி ஒர்க் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்க்குறேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. Do you have a screwdriver? So she asked about the screwdriver. Okay, this is in this page. So in this you can learn the D words, children. In this first page I given the D words. What are the D words? Seems. Okay, then favorite. Favorite. Okay, favorite. Then needle. So learn this spelling, children. Needle, thread, stitch. Stitch na how to make a shirt together with the needle and the thread. Stitch na tekkiradhu. Then cycling. Cycling. Then friend. So these are the D words you can learn. Then minute. Minute. Then doesn't. D-O-S-E-N. Does not சொல்லக்கூடாது. Doesn't. Then glow. Reminds. R-A-M-A-I-N-S. Reminds. Cold. Grumbles. Grumbles. Wear. Irna போட்டுக்கிறது shirt wear. Repair. R-E-P-A-I-R. Repair. Watched. Watched. Then closely. So already you might have learned, but let's learn again, children. Screwdriver. Okay. So first one is S-E-A-M-S, seems. Favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Needle, N-E-E-D-L-E, needle. Thread, T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. Stitch, S-T-I-T-C-H, stitch. Cycling, C-Y-C-L-I-N-G, cycling. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute. Then doesn't, D-O-S-E-N-T, doesn't. Glow, G-L-O-W, glow. Reminds, R-E-M-A-I-N-S, reminds. Cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Grumbles, G-R-U-M, grum, B-L-E-S, bills, grumbles. Wear, W-E-A-R, wear. Repair, R-E-P-A-I-R, repair. Watched, W-A-T-C-H-E-D, watched. Closely, C-L-O-S-E-L-Y, closely. Screwdriver, S-E-R-E-W, screw. D-R-I-V-E-R, screwdriver. Okay, children. So this is the words from the page number 89. So learn these words and daily memorize these words, so that if you can get a book, you can easily read the book lesson, children. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Thank you.